Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Moyu RS2 M 2x2.
Got this new one.
Yes.
We've got a few of these. We've got a total of how many? 4.
Yes.
And we've already unboxed the others.
Yes, but we are going to unbox this one. So it's a normal Moyu box. So you have to open one side, and then if the tape is stuck, you have to take it out and turn it around and push. So let's just push this out. Yep, and then we have to now open the box. So wow, so what we have? We have our accessories. It's actually quite tight.
It is a bit tight, isn't it? So you just need to press it down, and you come out, get out the accessories.
Then we have our cubes. So we can just take this out. So we have just something plastic. Then we have our cube wrapped in more plastic, and we have a stand. So now we have to open the cube's plastic. So there is some tape. I think you have to remove.
Yeah, let me try and get that. So there's a lot of tape, and then take all the tape off. And there you go.
Yes, and here is the cube. So it is a magnetic, just like my YJMMDC Elite. So this is my main, and this is now one of my new 2x2s, and now here are the first turns. It's quite fast.
And where are your other 3 of these same ones?
I have another 3.
So you've got quite a few 2x2s. And you're
Yep.
going to practice to solve all of them
In
together
yes.
in the next video.
Yep. And the accessories, it should be just some normal Moyu accessories, and yep, it is. It's the same as the ones in my 3x3 unboxing video.
Oh, right, okay.
Okay, and that is going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching this video of me and Daddy unboxing the one of my 4 new Moyu RS2 M 2020 2x2s. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye everyone.